Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a Valentine's theme set today on my practice hand. As you can see, I have already prepped the nails. Since this is a practice hand, I don't dehydrate or use primer. I just buff it really good and apply the tips. Sometimes I have issues applying the tips to these nails because they're not very curved, they're just straight. So what I like to do is I like to use a slightly bigger tip so that way it's not having to be pressed down so hard.
I'm fresh, I'm hood, I look good, I look like bae. I'm fresh, I'm hood, I look good, I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay. Goddamn, goddamn. My outfit look like God playing. You don't know another nigga that's lit like this. Watch change color when I lift my wrist. It's the Motel 6, keep on them lights. Take a bitch on a date, fuck her that night. She got a boyfriend, like bye nigga. Bye nigga. Good, I'm trying to be a side nigga. I'm handsome, I'm fly, I'm rich, that guy. I'm smooth, no lie. Girl, boo, you try. They say I look good, wanna hear it again. If nobody saw me in it, I'ma wear it again. Cause I don't give a fuck. I look good, I look good.
I decided I wanted to do a coffin shape, so I'm taking my straight edge nail clippers and just clipping the sides, just so that way it makes the filing a little bit easier to go into shape. And it cuts time down a little bit. And I use my 100 grit file to shape them.
Bye, nigga. Good. I'm trying to be a side nigga. I'm handsome, I'm fly, I'm rich, that guy. I'm smooth, no lie. Girl, boo, you try. They say I look good, wanna hear it again. If nobody saw me in it, I'ma wear it again. Cause I don't give a fuck. I look good, I look good, I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay.
I'm crazy, I'm sick, making moves like I'm white boy Rick. I'm lit, like Big, sleep with one eye cause I'm slick like Rick. I'm rich, I'm G, your green small money short as IT. From the Bay ballin' like I'm KD. Go to the club, we don't need ID. Rest in peace, Mac Dre. I look like Bay, I'm in my Bay. Fuck a fair when I get monster fast way. I look better than your bitch on my bad day. Money talk, so let's find out what this cash say. Money calling and my phone is going ring ring. Every time I come around it's bling bling. Every time I come around it's bling bling. I look like Bay, I'm in London with a pink like
bae.
That's what they all say.
I look like bae.
Young Jerry from the Bay, I look like Bay.
I'm lit, I'm rich. She a bougie bitch, I let her suck the dick. Richard Mill, 250 on her wrist. If the pussy good, we might just make a flick. Bought a chopper, this ain't nothing like a lick. Little money on his head, got him sick. Bought the AP, it's a break. He bought a breaking for the pussy, it's a trick. I'm looking like bait on my worst day. Kid a pussy to the race like I look like the bank. What you think? Show her 2 mil cash, she gon' faint. Walk a flocker, I go hard in the paint. Can't do nothing with the pussy if it stink. If she bad, buy a Cuban link for the bitch. Looking like bait cause I'm dumb rich.
I decided I wanted to use 2 of the pinks from the pink collection from Mia's Secret, and also I will be using the red Glam and Glits, and I will also be using the clear from Mia's Secret to encapsulate the designs.
Bling, I look like Bay, I'm in London with a pink like That's what they all say.
I look like bae.
At this point, I wanted to add a little bit of glitter as well, so I'm using a glitter that I received from Secret Nail Affair called Heartbreaker. It's really cute, very iridescent, has little lips and hearts in it.
I'm fresh, I'm hood.
So I knew I wanted to do a marble nail with the two pinks and the red, so that's what I'm doing right here. I really thought that the contrast between the three colors would really be cute. The next nail, I'm going to be doing a 3-color ombre. It'll be my first time doing it. I thought it came out pretty well, but practice never hurts anything.
I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good. I look like bae. I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good. I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay. Goddamn, goddamn. My outfit.
For the 3-color ombre, I'm going to start with the darker color first, and I'm going to place it at the tip, and then I will then lay the lightest color, and then I'm going to put the in-between color in the middle.
They say I look good, wanna hear it again. If nobody saw me in it, I'ma wear it again. Cause I don't give a fuck. I look good. I look good. I look good. I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay.
I'm crazy, I'm sick. Making moves like I'm white boy Rick. I'm lit like Bic. Sleep with one eye cause I'm slick like Rick. I'm rich, I'm G. Your green small money short as IT. From the Bay ballin' like I'm KD. Go to the club, we don't need ID. Rest in peace, Mac Dre. I look like Bay, I'm in my Bay. Fuck a fair when I get monster fast way. I look better than your bitch on my bad day. Money talks, so let's find out what this cash say. Money calling and my phone is going ring ring. Every time I come around it's bling bling. Every time I come around it's bling bling. I look like Bay, I'm in London with
I
a
look
pink
like
ting.
bae.
That's what they all say.
I look like bae.
Young Jerry from the Bay, I look like Bay.
I'm lit, I'm rich. She a bougie bitch, I let her suck the dick. Richard Mill, 250 on her wrist. If the pussy good, we might just make a flick. Bought a chopper, this ain't nothing like a lick. Little money on his head, got him sick. Bought the AP, it's a break. He bought a breaking for the pussy, it's a trick.
You'll see that I wipe my brush a lot. It's really important to do so when dealing with acrylic. Sometimes some acrylics are just more chalky than others and they can get clumped up in your brush. And then if it gets dried in there, it can be a little difficult to get it out. And then I don't like leaving my brushes in acetone because it ends up breaking down the bristles and drying them out. So I really try to make sure nothing gets stuck in there. So that's one of the reasons why I wipe so much. Finally, I'm going to encapsulate everything. When I deal with colored acrylics, I don't really use it to build my apex or build the product. I use small amounts, and I use the clear to really build it up to give me that good apex and to strengthen everything. And then plus it protects the design in total.
I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good. I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay. Goddamn, goddamn. My outfit look like God playing. You don't know another nigga that's lit like this. Watch change color when I lift my wrist. Mr. Motel 6, keep on them lights. Take a bitch on a date, fuck her that night. She got a boyfriend, like bye nigga. Bye nigga. Good, I'm trying to be a side nigga. I'm handsome, I'm fly, I'm rich, that guy. I'm smooth, no lie. Girl, boo, you try. They say I look good, wanna hear it again. If nobody saw me in it, I'ma wear it again. Cause I don't give a fuck. I look good. I look good. I look good. I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay.
I'm crazy, I'm sick. Making moves like I'm white boy Rick. I'm lit like big. Sleep with one eye cause I'm slick like Rick. I'm rich, I'm G. Your green small money short as IT. From the Bay ballin' like I'm KD.
Now that I'm finishing capping it all off, I go in with my 100 grit file to kind of reshape the sides a little bit, because adding all the bulk can kind of make you lose your shape. So I go in with the 100 grit, reshape it up a little bit, make sure there's nothing underneath. And then after that, I'll go in with my electric file, smooth it all out, and then finally the buffing.
I'm fresh, I'm hood, I look good, I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay. Goddamn, goddamn. My outfit look like God playing. You don't know another nigga that's lit like this. Watch change color when I lift my wrist. Mr. Motel 6, keep on them lights. Take a bitch on a date, fuck her that night. She got a boyfriend, like bye nigga. Bye nigga. Good, I'm trying to be a side nigga. I'm handsome, I'm fly, I'm rich, that guy, I'm smooth.
Now I'm not trying to take anything off. All I'm trying to do is smooth it out, make sure it's all even. But I really don't want to take any product off. So I lightly go around everything. You know, if there's a bump here, then I'll put a little pressure to smooth it out. But other than that, it's just quick around the cuticles to make sure it blends into the cuticle area and just to smooth it all out. It's very important to make sure your client's nails or any nail that you're working on is properly buffed before putting the top coats on. I've had problems sometimes where I didn't buff it enough and there was a few ridges in there and you can see it through the top coat. So I really try to make sure that when I buff it well. You want to feel it with your finger, make sure you don't feel no scratches on it, and just make sure you get underneath the client's nails to make sure there's no little pieces under there. Now I'm just going to wipe them down with some alcohol, make sure there's no little particles on there for when I put the top coat on, because sometimes it can get stuck in there. But then it also would prevent having a smooth finish. So you always want to wipe it, you know, get any little imperfections off before the top coat goes on.
No lie, girl boo, you try. They say I look good, wanna hear it again. If nobody saw me in it, I'ma wear it again. Cause I don't give a fuck. I look good, I look good, I look like bae. I look like bae. Ay, ay.
I'm crazy, I'm sick.
And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like for more to come. Bye.